Welcome to the Agile Shop, where we talk shop about hands-on Agile solutions. In this video, we will cover the top 10 things an Agile team should expect from the product owner. The product owner should be the most knowledgeable person of the product vision. They should communicate this vision to the team. The product owner should know what the problems of the product will solve, who the audience is, and the overall benefit of this product. The product owner will collaborate with the stakeholders and users of the product to understand the product requirements. The product owner will transform these requirements into user stories. In the digital world, a user story is a short description of functionality for a digital product from an end user perspective. These user stories will form the product backlog. The development team and the stakeholders expect the product owner to make the product backlog visible, transparent, and clear. The product owner works with the development team to refine the user stories and make sure the team fully understands each user stories. The team expects the product owner to own the product backlog and keep it prioritized at all times. The team expects that any incoming requests for the product enhancements or fixes from stakeholders or other teams will go directly to the product owner, so they can be transformed into user stories. During the sprint planning, which initiates the sprint, the team expects the product owner to bring the highest priority user stories and the desired sprint goal. After the sprint planning is complete and the development team commits to the work that can be achieved during the sprint based on their capacity, the product owner should communicate the committed sprint goal to all stakeholders. During the active sprint, the development team expects the product owner to be available to provide any clarifications that might be needed for the active user stories. At the end of the sprint, the product owner invites the stakeholders to the sprint review. During this session, the product owner with the development team discusses the outcome of the sprint. Based on the lessons learned from the sprint and the feedback received from the stakeholders, revisions are made to the product backlog. Stakeholders expect the product owner to communicate at all times the sprint status and any product functionality that has been released. Once any completed work is deployed and live, the product owner communicates the product releases. For more content like this, please subscribe to our channel.